If you want your edits to eat perfectly with the music, this video is for you. I'll show you how to use the beats feature in CapCut desktop. This way you can cut and sync your video perfectly to the rhythm. Fast and super easy. So let's get started. Using beats in CapCut. Yeah, but why is our timeline like this? You don't need this kind of timeline to use beats. Yes, that's because this is a CapCut series, absolutely free. Everything or whatever you can think about CapCut, I've actually covered it. When it comes to me even speaking Chinese, you can see covered camera tracking, motion tracking, masking, just name it. Whatever interesting thing you can think about CapCut, I've literally covered this in this series. So make sure you actually check out the previous videos and do yourself a huge favor. So yeah, without wasting your time, let's get straight into beats. Very simple. We need music. Like everyone knows, I'll need a video. I have my video here of my character dancing because I think it's going to work well for a beats video. Click on it. I have my video, this guy dancing right here. And now let's go find a really nice song. Why exactly do you use beats? You use beats to actually help you make interesting chords. So let's say, okay, alt background music. I like to go for commercially free music. You can check out the previous video where I spoke about use of audio in CapCut. Yeah, so let me see what we have. Let's see if we can get like a really nice free song for us to use. So, that's slow. Let's see this one. I wonder if this works. So this is a perfect bit here. So we've got this is even perfect because we have so many beats here. We've got so many beats here. Oh, this is perfect. Oh, this is perfect. Very simple. So we have our audio. Click on it. As you can see right here, you come to something called this place. Auto Mark Beats. Beat 1, beat 2. This just tells you the frequency or how often the beats are going to come up. If the beats will come up, maybe it's recognize only the main beats, then skip like it's very tiny ones. So let's just click on 1. You can see not so many beats, even though we have like so many beats in the song. But for this one, click on 2. You can see we have a whole lot more of beats. A whole lot more beats. So now what next are we going to do? Beats are actually very nice, especially for those of you that create like creative videos, people dancing and everything. You want to always make sure you have cuts to what? You cut to the beat. Let me show you an example. The first video we made in this series right here. Just watch this video for yourself. I made sure I was cutting to the beat, even though I didn't actually track the beat. Like I didn't come here to click on track beat. I listened to the beat and I was like making my cuts to the beat. So let's just play this and see, so you can see what I'm talking about.
Life of a video editor.
At every, you can see. I don't know if you noticed, but at every turn, there was a new video coming in. So that's why beats is very important. So you need to like change to the beats of the song and everything. So yeah, that's very nice. So let's just go to the next one. Yeah, you can see I was working with the sound. I was working with the song. So I was making my cuts and everything to the song. Oh, dun. That was when I was cut. So if I'm to come here now and track the beats, let's even see. Track beat 2. You can see I was literally making my cuts directly on each beat. Like I said, I didn't use all the beats, but like this, the main ones you can see. I was literally my cuts were like directly on. I literally didn't even track. I literally did not even track. Yeah, but my cuts were like right on point. My cuts were like right on point. Let me see. Let me try and use beat 1 and see what we have for beat 1. Oh, you can see. Guys, honestly, I did not even track this. I just listened to it. And I just kept tracking and tracking. And yeah, that's it. So now we come to this new video we have of ours here. This one we have so many beats. So we need to do something very interesting now. So we're gonna make. So when you're using beats, like I said in the previous video, you saw me. I was changing clips and everything. But for this one, I'm gonna stick to only this video. But I'm just gonna make variations to the video. I'm gonna cut at every beat point. Every beat point, I'm gonna make a cut. So then I'm now gonna make a change to every this step. Just to follow the beats. I'm gonna make a change. Just to make sure I'm following the beats. I'm making a cut. Quickly make a next cut. This video is gonna be nice. I've done something like this before for a client and they loved it. Because at every beat point there was something new coming. It actually helps with retention. It keeps people like engaged and like it keeps them watching. So yeah, that's one of the reasons why beats is actually very important in CapCut. It keeps your video. So we have the first one. By the second one, we can just, let's say we come here, we just click on mirror, we can just flip it. So it goes from here. See? Guys, can you see that? back to this place. Then. So for this one now, we can let's say we can just come. Let's say we can add an effect here or something. So like you just like do something very interesting, or we can just even zoom in. We can just zoom in for this guy. What's going on? Why is it not zooming in? Okay, so it's zoomed in already. So you can just zoom in, so you can see. So we can just go from this. Look how quickly we went. You can see just little changes, little changes. You can see little changes. So you can see. So we can just apply, let's say, the effect here. The shake effect, we can just apply it there. Then we stop at that point. I could have applied it directly. You can see we went from. So yeah, that's just it. That's just it, guys. We just make things interesting. I like using body effects a lot. I think I've checked out the video I made on effects. I spoke about how I actually love using body effects so much. So yeah, I actually love using body effects so much. So I can just come here and apply this. People that know me know I love using body effects so much. So let's see. I don't know what's on my internet, just taking forever to load up things. But yeah, I actually want to apply effects on the guy's body, and yeah, a whole lot of interesting things. You know, let's just keep going. We're gonna apply effects and whatever later. You can see network is bad. So I'm gonna come here again, and let's say I'm gonna just I'm gonna reverse this. Reverse. So this one is gonna move a bit backward. Not the usual way it's working. So I'm reversing the clip. I'm just trying to just make different changes so you can see. You can actually notice. Oh, the reverse actually didn't work because it matched this one too much. So I'm gonna just undo that. If it was actually working, it would have been nice and just walk back. But yeah, it didn't actually work. The reverse effect didn't work on this one. No, it didn't work. It didn't work. So yeah. So we have. So what should we do here? I think let's mirror again. Let's mirror again. So we have You can see we've got. So what should we do here? I want to apply an effect. But my internet is so bad. It's not allowing me to apply effect. Oh my god. Yeah, but guys, that's literally how we use beats. That's how we use beats. Let me see. Should I apply? Oh, okay. Yeah, let me apply my effects. So what's going on? This is so bad. I'm trying to apply effect just to make a video interesting, and like my internet is just giving out. It's like, nah, not today, bro. Not today. Nah, that's too much. So we went from this. What should we put here? Nah. No, that's too much. Not something very simple. Let's see. This will actually be nice if it can be dropped in the video. Guys, you see that? So yeah, but it limited our changes though. It has to be quick. Okay. So at this point, we can just, let's say, what should we do here? Just trying to like make things interesting. Okay, so at this point, we can just apply this effect, right? This zooming effect. No, I want everything very quick. At every bit point, I want to. No, it's not working. So we're just trying to find where works at every point. This doesn't work. I think I'm just gonna apply that mirror effect again here. Yeah, I think that back and forth is very nice. I think mirror works best. I haven't just mirror works very best for. Ooh. I need to apply effects. I need to apply effects. At this point, yeah, where was done? I need to apply doppelgangers. Where's doppelgangers? Yeah, I need to apply you here. Like you need to be here. Yeah. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. So yeah, this is how beats work, guys. I know the video is a bit longer. That's how fun that is. So I can just zoom this one in. Let's just increase the scale to like say 120. So you can see, just yeah. Let's see the scale. Yeah, let's bring it up. So for this one, what should we apply? We can apply this technology effect, I guess. Revolving text. Does it work? Or your hot head? Yeah, there's a whole lot we can apply. There's a whole lot. But yeah, you guys get the gist anyway. So let's just split the video so far. This one, the zooming wasn't very obvious. Let's zoom in more. Let's zoom in more. Okay, let's just do 180. So yeah. So let's see what video effect can we apply. We need something very simple. Yeah, so we can just after I was done. I like this effect. Yeah. I think I'm gonna apply this on all three. I'm not gonna apply all three, I'm just gonna apply that part alone. So yeah. Okay, after this, I'm gonna apply this here. Okay. If I was actually taking my time to edit the video, I would like be more intentional with the things I'm choosing. I'm just trying to like let's get just see that okay, no, at every bit point something has to change. You don't need to actually apply effect. I'm just blowing things out of the water here. Like this is way too much. We just mirror alone you get like I think the best effect I've used so far is just me using mirrors. Just that back and forth, left and right works perfectly. Also reverse works. I use reverse a lot too, but for this specific video, the reverse is actually not very obvious. It's not very oh, I just had an idea. One thing I could have been doing at every point was actually change colors. Ooh. Yeah, at every bit point I could have just changed the color. I'm just gonna come to adjustment and I'm gonna change the color to let's say black and white. Yeah. So at every bit point I'm just gonna change. You can see. So we have from this. You can see that. Then yeah, we just go green. Oh, I think this is perfect thing we can do. I'm just gonna come to curves here. Yeah, I think it's a perfect thing we can do. I'm just gonna make it green. Hopefully we don't turn everything green. Yeah, I think it's perfect. This is best thing we can do. Yeah, even this like yeah, this is it. Yeah, so the color. Yeah, this is really nice. Having that color shift actually makes what's it called? It makes everything more visible. So we'll go green here again. We'll go blue now. Let's get more tint. This just popped up in my head on the fly. I didn't even think of it. I didn't even think of it at all. So you can see. So I think we can add a bit of color to this one also. No, let's have red. So you can see. So let's go green again. I think yeah. Yeah, guys. That's how it is when you're editing videos. It just happens on the fly. Like so yeah, it can be way a lot better. Like definitely. Like I've done better than this. But just for the sake of this particular tutorial, I'm just trying to like let you just get the points. At every bit point, something has to change. Maybe you bring in a new video or something. Usually I bring a new video. But for this one, I'm just trying to like stick to this particular video and use this video for everything. So yeah. So yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you so much. Make sure you check out everything else the course has to offer. Like, I'm pretty sure you're gonna love it. And also, just so you know, a paid course is coming out. So you check that one out. Check it out also when it's finally out. It has everything you need to know, from podcasting to creating movies and whatever. With CapCut, you're good to go. So yeah, I'll see you guys. God loves you. Bye.